Okay, this is our next lecture about the comparing tuples like we study in the string are also comparable like 1 and 2. The tuple are also comparable. Like let we have a two tuple like which contain the 0, 1 and 2 and other the 0, 3 and 4. If the all element of the first tuple is satisfy the conditions of the other tuple, then it will return a true like 0 and like 0 and 1 is always less than 3 and 2 is always less than 4. If we want to replace like that in here, the system tell us that you are false if any one element of the tuple is less, then it give a result false. Okay, there are the three main types of comparing tuples. Let we then the first one is decorate a sequence by building a list of the tuples with one or more short keys preceding the elements from the sequence. The second procedure is a sorting. Sort is also built in function in Python, which reverse the orders which sort out the element of the tuples. The third one is undecorate. The system first decorates the tuples and then undecorate. Okay, we have an example that this is the text. This is a first decorate like in this portion we decorate our system, our tuples by splitting and by creating a list and by providing the for loop, and the second step is for sort and the third is for decorate. Let's try this example on a Python. Okay, this is the next lecture on the tuple comparison. As I told in my last lecture, let's consider a two tuple like T1 which contain the element like 1 and 6 and 9, and the other tuple the T2 which contain the like 0, 2, 4. Okay, put a condition that if T1 is greater than T2, then we should print tuple T1 is greater than T2, else copy this statement and print here, change here that this is less than T1. Okay, let's run this program and see what's happening. And you can see that the system tells us that tuple T1 is a greater than T2 because this satisfies that 1 is always greater than 0, 6 is greater than 2, 9 is greater than 4. If one of the element of any tuple is not satisfied this condition, the system tell us that you are false and print else statement. Let's change this. If this is a 9, if again run this, then the system first check this condition. These two elements of the tuple 1 satisfy the condition of the tuple 2 elements, but this is not satisfied as compared to this. So this is not printed. The system print that tuple T1 is less than tuple T2. Okay, let's run this program and see what's happening. And you can see that the system tells us that the tuple T1 is less than T2 and it should like this. Okay, next I go for the next.